So now I'll introduce our USB dongle for Android OS head units, the WJAC1. So now I'll take out the product and show you what's in our packaging. First, you see our user manual that is in English and Chinese, and you see our product like so. And now I'll introduce how to use our product. First, you have to make sure your Android head unit has internet, either by inserting a SIM card or sharing your phone hotspot. So once you can go into internet, go onto your browser, and as stated in the user manual, go onto an IP address or website to download an app. When you go onto the website, it will have a prompt to download the app. Press download. Press install. And you see it on your main menu. Make sure to give all permissions, like so. So once you open the app, you see this menu. But you see a few buttons on the left side. The first one is to go into the settings. The second one is to manage paired connections. And the third one is to go back to your factory screen, like so. So now I'll click into the settings to quickly show you what there are. The most important ones are you can select CarPlay, wireless CarPlay, or iPhone mirroring, or Android application and Android Auto, or mirroring for Android phones. And we have many other settings for user experiences, different user experiences. And at the bottom, you can select online updates, like so. So now let's give it a try and connect the USB dongle. So now you just have to plug in the USB dongle into the factory USB port. You can select to use the wire, or you can pull it out and use it like a USB. So plug it into the factory USB port, like so. When you have plugged in the USB dongle, some prompts will appear. Make sure to tick use by default for this USB device and click OK. And wait a few seconds, and a Bluetooth name will appear on the bottom. So when you see the Bluetooth name on the screen, go into your iPhone settings, Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is on, and you'll see the name as shown on the screen. Click on the name. And if your Wi-Fi is not on, your iPhone will prompt you to turn it on. Make sure to click turn on Wi-Fi and use CarPlay. And within a few seconds, wireless CarPlay should be connected, like so. And once you have connected to CarPlay, you can press Car to go back to the main menu. And when you have not connected to CarPlay, in the settings, you can change this icon to whatever car brand you want. And now I show you how to connect to another phone seamlessly. So I connected this phone for wireless CarPlay. And now I'll show you how to change to another phone within a few seconds. Go on to your new iPhone settings, Bluetooth, and click on the Bluetooth name, the USB dongle Bluetooth name. And click on the Bluetooth name on the new iPhone, and within a few seconds, Apple CarPlay, wireless CarPlay has been changed to this phone. Like so. When you've connected to wireless CarPlay, you can use real-time navigation with Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, or any other applications that Apple support. And now I'll show you in real-time navigation.
准备出发，前方路口右转。
Like so.
高德地图持续为您导航。
Other than real-time navigation, you can enjoy online music with Amazon Music, Spotify, or any other applications CarPlay supports. And you can control the music with the steering wheel buttons, like skipping to the previous song and to the next song again. And you can control the volume with the steering wheel. You can also use Siri for hands-free calling. Call 10086.
Calling 10086.
欢迎致电中国移动普通话服务。
And you can enjoy hands-free calling with good quality sound with no echo.